Now there is a set of songs called Ashtapadi.
Hmm.
It is entirely erotic.
Okay.
That is literally the word to explain or describe Ashtapadi. It is an erotic set of compositions done by Jayadeva Swami, and it hailed from Odisha. And that's where he was born, and he had written. That's why popularly Ashtapadis are performed by Odissi dancers. It is. It revolves around the love between Radha and Krishna. Somehow, because of the taboo, people have given it this Jivatma Paramatma color and made it as bland as possible. And there is a traditional set of tunes for Ashtapadi now, which our Carnatic musicians have given, and they have ripped it off, of its entire bhava, the rasa that it holds. For example, there is this Ashtapadi which is my most favorite, Vadasiyadi. Okay, it is the 19th Ashtapadi. And Priye Charushile, it is more popularly known as Priye Charushile. The first stanza starts with Vadasiyadi. The traditional tune by not some old thing, it was very recently done. Within a few 50 years it has been done. And in Nama Sankirtana Paddhati also it has been followed with the traditional tunes. And these tunes, in this particular Ashtapadi has been tuned in Mukhari, which is supposed to be dripping with bhava. Mukhari is a raga that is known for, pining, for that pain and for, all that. So this is where we come to the point where every raga has its own bhava, right? When we sing raga alapane, doesn't mean that it has to just be technical.
Yeah.
Of course it has its own bhava. Yeah. So Mukhari is known for that bhava. And they have specifically picked it for this because Krishna falls at Radha's feet and cries. What a surrender. And another popular artist has tuned this in Kapi. Okay, I have learnt both and I've sung both. But when you sing, when I hear many people sing this in the traditional tune, somehow I don't understand why they have to sing this like tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 tara. Vadasi yedi kinchidapi dantaruchi kaumudi haratu darati miramati ghoram priye charushile priye Charushile. This is the traditional tune.
It sounds like Bhairavi Tara.
Yeah, sounds like Bhairavi, but when the charana comes, it will be like Rima Pani Rama Pani Dasa. So that's where you will get the vibe of Mukhari. The same thing, instead of singing it like this, Vadasi yadi kinchidapi. If you speak a little, kinchidapi dantaruchi kaumudi haratudara timiramati ghoram priye charushile. He's addressing Radha. Priye charushile. Priye. You will have to call her there. Otherwise this line won't come. You will have to become Krishna and call Radha. In that emotion of dejection, of pining, you will have to call her there. Priye Charushile. In that Charushile, though the word is just Charushile, people have to understand that Krishna is asking her to please understand. Charushile, please understand, no Radhe. That has to come in that line. But if it has to go to the audience that way, shouldn't we be in that zone and feel it?
Absolutely.
The same Mukhari. Now, there is a charanam to it, which is the best Sahitya in the entire world, according to me. स्मरगरलखण्डनं मम शिरसि मण्डनम्. I am surrendering to you. Please keep your feet on my head. Mama shirasi mandanam dehi tava pada kamalam udharam. So please place your feet on my head so that I attain moksha from this samsara bandhana. Krishna is asking Radha to do this.
Wow.
And it is believed that Jayadeva wanted to write this, it had come to his mind, but then he felt it was so wrong to make the Lord, the supreme force, fall at a Jivatma's feet. It is wrong of me to write this way, and he didn't write it and he went off. Krishna came and wrote those 2 lines and went and said, if that is what you meant to happen there, it should happen there. So it has such divine experience to these 2 lines. Another artist had felt it in a different way and tuned this in Kapi. Smaragaralakandanam mama shirasi mandanam. Smaragaralakandanam mama shirasi mandanam dehi pada pallava mudaram. Dehi pada pallava mudaram. So this is, it can be in 2 different ragas. In any damn raga, it can be in Mohana, which is supposed to be a very happy raga. But if you feel that pain there, it has to come through.
Wow.
So that is,
I think the way you are saying, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. The Vagekararu who would have created, no, not necessary that he would have rendered in that particular raga only, not necessary, right?
yeah. With respect to Jayadeva Ashtapadi, he has not given any specific ragas to sing in.
Probably it is
Contrary to
after
Tyagaraja.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.